Want to record pure sound videos just like this? Hello to everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm filming with the BMW S1000R in blue, and many of you asked me how do I film the content. First I have the DJI Action 4 normal. Then if there's a lot of sun I use the DJI filters, ND filters, the 3 set, and the DJI Mic 2. One moment, I'll unbox. Now that I have the mic out, you see that the camera is activated. Then simply turn it on and it should connect if you already paired it. Otherwise, go to your settings, go to radio mic, click on the mic, and then you can connect it. And in order to connect it, you simply press this button on top of here, this one, and when it blinks fast blue, and it blinks very fast in a blue color, it will automatically pair if you're in that setting. Now for my settings, first I show you this one. I have all these settings. I use Rocksteady because Rocksteady Plus crops in too much and then you don't see anything. Okay, then when we go to settings, I have the lighting at 1/60th because I'm at 30 FPS and I have an ISO automatically set between 100 and 1600. White balance is on auto, color is auto, POV is very wide and color is normal. Then to the mic settings. Here I have everything off, and here on the dB meter I have -12, so that it isn't that loud. Then I simply put the mic, the camera on my chin mount. Okay, it's secure, and the mic goes into my backpack in this department. I don't know, it's very tight and you don't see it, but there's nothing else inside. And just close the zipper, and now I'm ready to go. Normally I'd use an ND filter like the 16 or 32, but today the weather isn't that nice, so I won't need an ND filter. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, a comment and subscribe. Bye.